Are you ready to elevate your dental career? Discover how Coronal Polishing Certification can open new doors for registered dental assistants, RDAs. This course is your key to expanding your professional skills and opportunities. At the California Institute of Dental Education, we offer a comprehensive course tailored for RDAs. This certification is not just a credential, it's a stepping stone to greater career heights. Our 12-hour program is meticulously divided into 3 modules. You'll start with 4 hours of didactic training, covering essential theory and infection control procedures. Next, engage in 4 hours of lab practice using mannequins. This hands-on experience is crucial for building confidence before moving to clinical training. Transition smoothly from mannequins to real patients under expert supervision. This practical training ensures you're ready to apply your skills in real-world scenarios. Gain invaluable experience that sets you apart in the dental field. With each patient interaction, you'll refine your technique and boost your professional confidence. Complete the course to receive your official certificate of completion. This certification qualifies you to perform coronal polishing legally in California, enhancing your career prospects. Ready to take the next step? Enroll today and unlock new career opportunities. Visit dentalinstituteofca.com for details and registration. Let's advance your career together!